Brad Kidd, professional sporting clay shooter and coach, national champion, Hall of Famer. I'm represented Team USA in World Championship competition many times, led the team to gold twice, 18-time All-American. So, you know, sporting clays is kind of who I am.
Ball! Ball!
Laser shot has been phenomenal in my training to accomplish my goals, which is to compete at the highest level. What the game does, it provides the ability to be able to practice when the conditions aren't there. I mean, you might live up north again where the weather's, you know, cold in the winter months and it's tough to get outside. I might be here and God, I remember a couple years ago we just had a real wet winter and it rained every day for weeks. So I'm able to even when the weather's bad, to be at home, training my mechanics, really focus on looking at the bird, moving with the bird, or even when life gets in the way, when you're busy at work and you can't get out to the range and you're home. You know, in the evenings I'm able to get the laser shot on and work on my gun mount, work on my mechanics. Plus the game's a lot of fun, you know. I'm Brad Kidd, and I train with laser shot.